first thing, always activate your glutes. Now, as you already know, part of Own Your Fitness, we believe in activating the muscle first. What that really means is connecting the mind and sending the signal down to the muscle that you want to feel, that you want to tone, that you want to ignite, and that you want to fire. So this is called a body weight bridge. 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. That's the pace. The reps you're going to do are 40 reps. Pace is 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. The reps are 40 reps. Watch the tutorial. On your yoga mat, feet about hip width wide, belly button in, pushing from the heels. Watch the heels. 2 seconds up. 1, 2. Really focus on squeezing here. And that's where the brain comes in. Focus, focus. Slow, slow. Up. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Squeeze. Use your mind. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And that is how you activate your glutes and actually send the signal right from your brain to the glutes to tone it up, firm it up, lift it up. And that's why we call it muscle activation. It can't just be up and down doing it. You actually have to turn on the muscle that you want to tone.